With a nylon clothes cord with three guys and a Mickey Mouse watch. It's all computerized now, highly technical. A couple of years ago when they first started, we had a minor glitch. Talking about Y2K things this year. A couple of years ago when it was computerized, we were a little bit late. I think we lost it by about 2 seconds that year, and boy, did it hit the papers. As I wave to television, turn around now, watch the ball. That's it there. You think she heard me? That's a funny look. Look at them. They're all the way up to Central Park, all the way down to 42nd Street. This is a massive New Year's Eve crowd with 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Listen to the music build. They're ready. They're in their sombreros. That's our street cam. We've got 25 cameras here tonight covering this event. This is a really big one. You are wise to stay at home. In 1 minute, the ball will drop and you will see pandemonium. Listen to him. The ball is beginning to move. They can feel it. They know it. In 47 seconds, it will be 2,000. You're in Times Square with a couple of million intimate friends. 35 seconds. They're ready in 30. Get close to somebody you love. In 25 seconds, it'll be the new year. In 20 seconds. And we're going to count it down from here down when we get to 10. Are you ready? Happy New Year early. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 2000!
Urgent message is being transmitted as a formal request of the United States government. This is not a test. A dangerous and unprecedented event has occurred globally due to the Y2K computer bug occurring just a few minutes ago in the year 2000. This bug is highly dangerous, as computers worldwide are not able to withstand this occurrence, resulting in catastrophic system failures across multiple sectors. All electronic systems that use computer-based chips are beginning to malfunction or completely fail. Aircraft systems are expected to lose control shortly, and multiple planes are projected to crash within minutes. Explosions are expected to occur across the entire United States within the next 10 minutes as power grids, industrial systems, and automated infrastructure collapse. As a result of these failures, several television and radio channels across the United States have been temporarily shut down. Multiple large fires have already broken out in several states due to computers overheating, exploding, or triggering industrial accidents, causing massive casualties and widespread destruction. Emergency services are overwhelmed and may not be able to respond to all incidents. Communication networks are unstable and may fail without warning. All residents are strongly advised to shelter in place immediately. Remain indoors and move to an interior room with no doors or windows if possible. Avoid all electronic devices, power sources, and machinery. Do not attempt to travel unless explicitly instructed by authorities. Do not forget to gather essential emergency supplies, including a flashlight, non-perishable food, clothing, water, and medical supplies. Additional instructions may be issued directing civilians to proceed to underground shelters, as there is a potential risk of nuclear missiles being launched due to automated defense system failures. Stay tuned to any remaining operational emergency broadcast stations for further updates on this extremely dangerous and rapidly evolving situation.
And in Birmingham Centenary Square. And in Glasgow. Everybody waiting now. (23:58) and Edinburgh. Everybody counting the minutes. Ordinary minutes that are passing just like any other minutes, but leading to an extraordinary moment. We're watching as the last year of the last century of the old millennium slouches off stage to make way for the youthful entry of the new.
We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by for further information. We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by for further information. We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by for further information.
We apologize for interrupting this broadcast. The following urgent message is being transmitted at the formal request of the United Kingdom Government and emergency authorities. This is not a test. A dangerous and unprecedented event has occurred globally due to the Y2K computer bug occurring just minutes ago, at the start of the year 2000. This highly critical software failure has caused widespread malfunctions in computer systems that were not designed to withstand the date change, resulting in severe and cascading technological breakdowns worldwide. Authorities have confirmed that the United States has also experienced this occurrence, with similar large-scale system failures being reported across the country. All electronic systems that rely on computer-based chips are experiencing critical failures or complete shutdowns. Aviation control systems have been severely affected, and aircraft are expected to lose navigation and control capabilities shortly. Explosions and large-scale industrial accidents are anticipated as automated systems fail across power stations, transport networks, and manufacturing facilities. As a result, several broadcasting services across the United Kingdom, the United States, and other parts of the world have been temporarily taken off air. Multiple fires have already been reported in major cities and industrial regions due to computer failures triggering electrical overloads and mechanical explosions. These incidents are causing widespread casualties and significant damage. Emergency services are under extreme strain and may not be able to respond to all incidents at this time. Telecommunications networks are unstable and may fail without warning. All residents are advised to shelter in place immediately, remain indoors and move to an interior room away from doors and windows if possible. Avoid travel and stay clear of electronic equipment and power sources unless absolutely necessary. Do not forget to gather essential emergency supplies, including a torch, food, water, warm clothing, and medical supplies. You may also receive instructions directing you to proceed to designated underground shelters, as there is a potential risk of nuclear missiles being launched due to failures in automated defense and warning systems. Stay tuned to BBC Radio and any remaining emergency broadcast services for further official information as this extremely dangerous situation continues to develop.
Contamination sensors are being established at this time and will be fully operational within 2 hours. Personnel audit their IM. Personnel with elevated levels are advised to seek medical at the first available opportunity.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A civil danger warning has been activated across the northern United States due to a catastrophic computer chip failure affecting multiple aircraft systems nationwide. This failure has resulted in the sudden loss of control of numerous commercial and private aircraft currently in flight. As a result, several planes have fallen from the sky without warning, causing widespread destruction, serious injuries, and loss of life across affected regions. Due to the ongoing and unpredictable nature of this failure, all air travel is strictly prohibited until further notice. Any attempt to fly may result in severe injury or death. Authorities warn that additional aircraft may continue to fail as the malfunction spreads through interconnected systems. If you are receiving this message, you are located within the warned area. You are strongly advised to seek shelter underground immediately, if possible, and remain there with adequate medical supplies, food, and water. Stay away from windows, open spaces, and any areas near airports, airfields, or major transportation routes. Authorities report that the computer failure has caused a widespread breakdown in aviation control systems, leading to multiple incidents occurring without warning. Emergency responders are being overwhelmed as debris, and crash sites continue to be reported in both urban and rural areas. Power grids, communication networks, and transportation infrastructure may also be affected due to the same system failure. Residents are urged to remain indoors, avoid unnecessary travel, and follow all instructions from local officials. Emergency services such as 911 may experience extreme delays or shortages due to system disruptions and the scale of the emergency. If you experience severe injuries, dial 911 only if absolutely necessary, and remain on the line if possible. Local, state, and federal agencies are actively assessing the situation and working to contain the effects of the failure while attempting to restore critical systems. The cause of the malfunction is still under investigation, and no estimated time for resolution is available at this moment. Further instructions and official updates will be provided as soon as they become available. Remain calm, conserve essential supplies, and continue to monitor official broadcasts for additional information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. You are urged to pay close attention to this alert, as it contains critical and time-sensitive information regarding an extremely serious national emergency expected to unfold within the next few minutes. Due to catastrophic system failures caused by the Y2K bug, multiple automated defense networks around the world have malfunctioned. As a result of these failures, nuclear missiles have been unintentionally launched from several foreign regions, including North Korea, China, and other unidentified areas. In response to these launches, and due to the severity and speed of the situation, the United States' own nuclear defense systems have also activated automatically. Because of this unprecedented chain reaction, the United States government has confirmed that the nation will be thrown into widespread disorder and emergency conditions. Once nuclear detonations occur, radioactive fallout is expected to spread across vast areas, extending for miles beyond impact zones. Authorities warn that large portions of the United States may become uninhabitable due to radiation contamination. Exposure to nuclear fallout may result in severe health consequences, including genetic damage, long-term illness, or death. For this reason, your immediate safety depends on your actions now. You are strongly advised to seek shelter immediately. Move to the most secure location available to you, preferably underground or within a reinforced structure. Gather all essential supplies, including food, water, medical items, and necessary equipment sufficient to sustain you and others for at least 13 days. Remain indoors until officials declare it safe to move. Do not travel unless absolutely necessary. Continue to monitor local radio stations and official broadcasts for further instructions, updates, and emergency information. This concludes the emergency message. Stay calm, follow official guidance, and take immediate protective action.
This is a clear message from the United States government. Authorities confirm that the immediate radiation threat resulting from the nuclear blast has now passed. It is considered safe for residents to exit designated fallout shelters at this time. However, be advised that widespread and catastrophic damage has occurred across large portions of the country. Many areas are experiencing destroyed infrastructure, fires, power outages, and hazardous debris. Proceed with extreme caution when leaving shelters, and avoid damaged buildings, downed power lines, and restricted zones. If you or anyone near you has been injured or is in immediate danger, dial 9-1-1 for emergency assistance. Emergency services and federal response teams are actively deployed and will respond as conditions allow. This concludes this message.
Kept you waiting, huh? No! Just call me Deep Throat. Deep Throat.
Did you like my sunglasses?
Where's Metal Gear?
Lolly Lule Low.
Not taking out any Metal Gears. Kept you waiting, huh?
Kept you waiting, huh?
What a thrill.